In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export and email a dashboard report in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make sure the right people receive a clear, professional copy of your dashboard. Start by logging into Xero with your usual credentials. Once you're in, head to the main menu and click Reporting. This is your hub for all reports and summaries. Inside Reporting, select Dashboards. This takes you to the area where your key business snapshots live. If you manage more than one organization in Xero, make sure you're viewing the correct one before proceeding. Open the dashboard you want to share. Take a moment to confirm that everything you see is ready to send. The date range is correct, the widgets are refreshed, and any filters reflect the period and accounts you want included. What you see now is what your recipient will receive, so a quick review here can save time later. When you're happy with the dashboard, look for the Export option, typically near the top right of the screen. Click Export, then choose Email. This tells Xero you want to send the dashboard directly from the platform, rather than downloading it first. An email panel will appear. Enter the recipient's email address carefully, using the most up-to-date contact you have. If you're sending it to multiple people, add each address on a new line, or use the format Xero supports in your account. Next, review the email details Xero provides, usually a subject line and a brief message. You can customize these to add helpful context, like the reporting period or a short note about what's changed since the last send. Now, check the attachment. In most cases, Xero includes the dashboard report automatically, often as a PDF. If you don't see it, attach the dashboard report manually using the Attach option in the email panel. Verify the file name and make sure the attachment matches the dashboard you opened. Before sending, do a final review. Confirm the recipients, the subject and message, and that the correct dashboard is attached. When everything looks good, click Send. Xero will process the email, and you should see a confirmation that it's been sent. Your recipients will receive the dashboard in their inbox, ready to view or save for their records. That's all you need to confidently email a dashboard report from Xero. Log in, go to Reporting, open Dashboards, export via email, verify the details, attach if needed, and send.